The prosecutor filed a document along with its appeal that said because witnesses corroborating key evidence in the case have all died since the first trial, the judge's ruling has, quote, rendered the state's proof with respect to the pending charge so weak in its entirety that any reasonable possibility of effective prosecution has been destroyed. In Jones' original trial, witnesses testified that Jones contracted a hand infection caused by Rhonda's mouth, and a police officer found a master key, a door chain, and the victim's pendant inside a toolbox in the trunk of Jones' car. Jump ahead 27 years to 2022, when Judge Wendy Cross ruled the prosecutor had withheld 4,000 pages of evidence, and because of that, at the beginning of this year, she tossed out the jury verdict. Elwood Jones walked off of death row after serving 27 years in prison and in front of a row of cameras.
I had nothing to do with her death, and I feel sorry for the family, but I'm a victim as well. And my life has been took.
The prosecutor refiled charges, but the same judge ruled a couple of months ago that because of the withheld evidence, most of the testimony from the original trial would not be readmissible in Jones' new trial. Then last week, the judge also tossed out the testimony of the officer who found the toolbox with the victim's pendant inside of it.
Yeah, it would be a violation of Mr. Jones's constitutional rights to allow the state to use testimony from a tainted trial in a subsequent trial.
Jones' defense attorney says he thinks the prosecutor filed the document saying its case would be destroyed if the lower judge's ruling stands because it wants the appeals court, in essence, to force the prosecutor's office to drop the case.
They know these charges need to be dropped, but they don't want to do it because if they do it, then they have to answer for why they have to do it. And the reason is they screwed up in the 1990s. They should have disclosed the evidence.
In a statement from the prosecutor's office, spokesperson Amy Klossing says the Court of Appeals would not have the authority to dismiss the case against Elwood Jones based on this appeal. We are appealing the decision because we believe, like other decisions in this case, it is contrary to law.
Hey there. Yeah, you could stop watching right now, but let's be honest, you don't want to do that. Hit the links or click subscribe to see more amazing content from all of us here at Local 12.